In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage sales pipeline in Freshsales. Managing your sales pipeline helps you see where deals are progressing, what needs attention, and what actions are still pending. Freshsales makes this process visual, so you can move deals through stages with confidence and keep your records up to date. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. This step is important because all pipeline controls are available only after you are signed in. Make sure you are in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple sales environments. Once you reach your dashboard or main area, you are ready to navigate to the pipeline features. Next, click the Deals tab from the left navigation menu. The Deals area is where Freshsales organizes all opportunities and sales activities in one place. Take a moment to look at the left-hand menu and find the tab labeled Deals. When you click it, the page should update to show your deals list or the default deals view. After you open Deals, click the Pipeline View icon to see your deals. This icon switches your view from a traditional list into a pipeline layout. The pipeline layout makes it easier to understand deal flow because each deal appears as a card, grouped by pipeline stage. If you do not see the pipeline icon right away, scan the view options near the Deals section until you find the pipeline style display. Now that you are looking at the pipeline, you can organize deals efficiently by dragging and dropping deal cards to move them between pipeline stages. This is one of the main ways you manage your pipeline. As you move a deal card, you are essentially updating its current status in your sales process. Watch the stage columns as you drag. When you position the deal card over the target stage, you will see it visually shift into that stage area. Release the card when it is in the correct location, so the change is applied in the interface. Once your deals are in the right stages, you may want to adjust the information for specific opportunities. Click on a deal name to open the side panel and update details. The side panel typically gives you a focused space to view and edit the deal information without losing your pipeline context. Select the deal name that you want to review, then look at the fields and sections that appear in the side panel. Update the relevant details so your team has accurate information to work from. When you have finished updating the deal details in the side panel, click Save to apply changes. This step ensures that your updates are recorded in Freshsales. Before saving, it is helpful to quickly check that the information you changed looks correct. Once you click Save, the system will confirm the updates and keep everything consistent with the current pipeline stage. And that covers everything you need to know. You log in, open Deals, switch to Pipeline View, drag deal cards between stages, open a specific deal to update details, and then save your changes. With these steps, your sales pipeline stays organized and up to date, making it easier to track progress and manage next actions. And that is all there is to it.